Ashish Desai. I'm the Managing Director of Strong Plant Infrastructure Private Limited in India. A relatively new entrant on the Indian market. India offers a lot of opportunity and there's a lot of potential for professional skill and execution of challenging projects in dewatering as well as in pile foundations. So we have now come in the region with our certain specialized design abilities, the experience that we have gained in UAE over the last 30 years when we have witnessed a lot of boom in the last few years and we have gained tremendous experience. We have also into manufacturing of dewatering equipment like dewatering centrifugal pumps. We are manufacturing vacuum assisted centrifugal dewatering pumps that we are displaying here on our booth and the accessories that go along with it. I think this technology is really missing, or rather it can be really be used in India in a big way because now there are a lot of deep excavations happening. There is a lot of challenge for groundwater lowering, and we are already currently working on 5 to 6 projects in Mumbai, all with Larsen & Toubro, and our equipment has worked on some challenging projects like the India Tower, which is a 27 meter deep excavation, and we have kept it dry during the peak of monsoons. And other projects, even the Mumbai airport we have worked. So I think people are now coming to realize that the technology is available to help them to do high quality work and to overcome the problems whereby the work is not stopped for owing to large quantities of water, be it groundwater or rainwater or seepage from any unknown sources or other sources. Currently, I'm still based out of Dubai, UAE. We have our office in Bombay in India. That's where we have started, and we have our director, general manager. They are all handling operations here, and I think soon you will be seeing a lot of presence of Strong Plant on prestigious projects, and we already started mobilizing for a few of them. In India, we have not even completed a year. It's 6 to 8 months of, so we are very new in the region. I think we have had a tremendous response so far. It's very nice, and the only thing that we can bring into the Indian market is our technical ability and some equipment which is not available here, and I think we have